Look, listen, and say. Read. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Do activity A from your textbook. Pair work. Ask and answer the questions. How many months are there in a year? What month is it now? What is the name of the next month? What month's name has 3 letters? How many months' names begin with the letter J? How many months' names end with the letter Y? Read the names of the months. Which is the 3rd month of the year? Which is the 11th month of the year? Which is the 1st month? Which is the last month? Which is the 5th month of the year? Say the names of the months. Stress the parts of the words that are in blue color. Do activity C from your textbook.